Summary of home defense flashlight. Our Ultrafire T6 50,000 LM5 mode waterproof Lotus head LED flashlight fit black is an economical compromise. A lot of all, this flashlight is optimal for hill climbing, outdoor camping, trekking, woodland checking out, caves discovering, likewise extensively made use of at residence like fixing or discovering tiny point. Tactical settings as well as typical settings modifications. 1. Activation. Regardless of if the light gets on or off, press tail button 2 times to accessibility strobe. Item police flashlight summary. Brand Ultrafire. Type tactical. MPN does not use. Light bulb type T6 LED. Features adjustable emphasis, handheld, strobe light, waterproof. Battery type 18650. Brightness 50,000 lumens and also over. Nation/area of manufacture China. Light bulb type LED. Material aluminum alloy. Item name Ultrafire T6 50,000 LM LED flashlight trust fire. Zoom blaze. Package 1X Ultrafire T6 50,000 LM LED flashlight trust fire 13,000 lumen flashlight. Setting arrangement high center reduced strobe SOS. Note not include battery/battery charger/owner/AAA clip. Size 13.5 x 3 centimeters. Zoomable tactical military LED 18,650 flashlight torch lamp requirements. 1. Emitter Kind, T6 LED. 2. Illumination, 50,000 lumens optimal illumination. 3. Light shade, white. 4. Illumination range, regarding 300 m. 5. LED lifespan, 100,000 hours. 6. Battery arrangement, 1x 18,650 battery, not consisted of. 7. Setting plan, high mid reduced strobe SOS. 8. Product, lightweight aluminum alloy. 9. Focus size 4.9 inch. Zoom out size 5.3 inch. 10. Weight, 2.39 ounces. 2. When in strobe setting, press tail button 2 times to cycle strobe SOS sign strobe. 3. Press tail button swiftly to return to the remembered lighting setting. Keep in mind, tactical settings as well as regular settings can be transformed. Rapidly push the tail button 7 times to change the settings. LED will see.